Hey guys, Ollie here back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 8. In gold it is 64 gigs. Yeah. And let's get in. I'm gonna open it up. Like so. So designed by Apple in California. You can see there. Let's take this out, and we over here we have our usual instruction manual on how to use it, Touch ID. Oh, and we have the SIM card tray opener, or whatever you want to call it. So let's put this on the side, and we have our iPhone over here. Let's take it out. Put this aside for a moment. We have our wired earpods, not AirPods. Don't get mixed up in that. Obviously, you don't get those ones. We have our usual charger and our power brick. There's nothing else in the box. So here is the phone itself, and a moment of silence please while we one of the most satisfying things in the world. So here we have our iPhone 8. It has the gold back, the glass back. Let's go ahead and power it on. There you go. It has juice in it. Just for comparison, I have the iPhone 7 with me over here. So as you can see, the dimensions, the size, everything is the same. And there you go, the hello. You can see in the back, over here we have like a matte finish. Here we have the glass back, which is much shinier. Also, the reason it has this back is because of the wireless charging capability. The cameras look pretty similar. The flash obviously blends in better in this one because of the color. And we have here our iPhone. Select our language, we want English. So it's a quick start. If you have an iPhone or iPad running with iOS 11 or later, bring it near. Set up manually. We'll do the setup later. While setting up, I'm gonna take a moment to maybe have a little bit of looks on the sides. They are identical, same width almost, though I feel like the iPhone 8 is a slight thinner. It does feel a little heavier though, because of the glass, I think. Anyways guys, I'm gonna do setup later, but this has just been an unboxing video of the iPhone 8, and we have compared here with the iPhone 7. A quick little short video just for your viewing, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, because I do have an Apple Watch Series 3 unboxing coming out really soon on this channel, so you don't want to miss out on that, do you? And yeah, that has been the video. Comment down below if you have any questions related to the iPhone or Apple Watches or anything, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.